Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? As you can see, we have an empty list here, and then we are multiplying it with 3. Then we are appending 1 in the first index. So the correct output of this code is 111. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here what happens is that first this will be creating an empty list like this, and this is getting replicated 3 times, but instead of creating any separate of these empty lists, this will be used as the reference. That means the list look like this. Initially this is a, and now what happens is that when you change a of 0 to 1, here there's 1, and when we change one place, all the others will also get affected as they are referencing to this empty list. So here it will be 1 and here it will be 1. This is something called shared reference, and that's why we got this as the output.